What's up, everybody? Mikey Wudz here, the man behind the can, Freshest art. Today I'm going to show you another one of my favorite planet techniques. We're going to try to paint this thing real quick. I'm going to use some purple violet. We're going to go through with some seaside. And then we're going to go back along with some yellow. And just spray the heck out of it. Bam, bam, bam. Make it pretty thick on there. Go back with a little bit of purple over the top. And then here we go. We're just going to take a piece of paper. Just bam. And then go and just. And then let's put a little more purple right there. Got kind of ugly on me. Boom, I love it. Looks beautiful, man. Now we got to do one thing here. Burn it, boy! Woo! Throw that on there. Let's take our planet stencil. Oh, you know what first? Let's put a little bit of shading back here. And a little bit of highlight over here. There we go. Then I'm going to throw a little bit of a highlight on my highlight because I just think that is cool and fun. And we're going to throw our stencil on the top and then spray out our background. I like to use a couple different colors on my background just to try to add some depth and go back along and put a little purple around here. And what do we get? We have some seaside on there. Let's throw a little seaside. Yeah. Pop that thing out and give it a glow. And then we'll put just a bit of yellow around it too. Man, look at that. Doesn't that look good? That looks cool as a fan. Now we'll throw some bright stars around. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Lots of stars. I like a lot of stars on my paintings. So we're going to put a lot of stars on there. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, now I'm going to get my palette knife out. Sign my name down here. MW. Arrow pointing up. Uh-oh. Arrow pointing up, 2 circles. Here we go. Now we got to put a couple of starbursts on this thing. And let's see how we did. Ready? Woo! Booyah! Look at that. I love that texture. Love the way that looks. Super cool, man. Let's throw another starburst right here. Bam, beautiful. How about one more right here? Just a small one. Bring some attention down to that lovely signature. You know, if it says MW on there, it's a cool painting. Now let's get some shooting stars. Wop, 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 wop. Couple more. One right there. Couple more right there. I don't like that one. Let's do something here. Bam! I like that. That looks pretty cool. And that's it. So now, let's throw some clear coat on it. And again, one more thing we got to do here. Burn it, boy! Yeah, and that's it, man. Really, really cool space painting with a really cool planet. Less than 5 minutes. Tell me what you think in the comments. Peace out.